Alright, I just knocked off work. I just finished work, whatever. And I have been struggling. I've just been like overthinking way too much, like about what sort of video I should make. So I just forced myself to sit down. I'm gonna make myself use this synth and just try and create something cool. I haven't really been inspired to make that many beats, but it's also just been like stupid hot. I've been busy. I joined a new gym. Just been training heaps with my girl and spending heaps of time together. It's been really good. So I feel like in my past, I kind of neglected a lot of parts in my like life outside of music. I've just been like so fascinated with the music world and just like kind of grinding and just almost to like a negative point, like definitely to a negative extent, to some type of extent, sort of creating this like balance that I've wanted in my life for a few years now. Yeah, kind of finding that and finding it at the gym has just been like amazing. And just been working like, so I work in like a cafe. It's like extremely social and just absolutely loving it. Like life is so good right now. So yeah, I think like honestly, if you're feeling like you lack something, then maybe just like have a look at what are your basic necessities and take care of the basics and focus on building a strong foundation. I think that will be your path to fulfillment ultimately. People are really important by nature. That's how us humans work. Like I get it. Some people can just be really frustrating, but I think if you find people frustrating, maybe there's something in it that there's something frustrating that frustrates you that you see in them, but maybe it's actually got more to do about it with you than you think, if that makes sense. Like why is it that they frustrate you? And maybe we just all need to like learn to embrace each other in a sense and accept each other for how we interact or whatever. But anyway, going crazy right now, talking absolute smack. Alright, low-key I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna chop this up until it sounds good. I'll make this like do some crazy pan shit. So it's like bouncing around my head. Around the head. Oh, we're just freezing everything. So yeah, that's where I've been. I've been relatively active. You know, I feel guilty not posting, but at the same time, I've just been overthinking like what's the perfect idea for a video, or like what's the video title gonna be, what's it gonna be about, and then I just like spiral down this like thought process and completely overcomplicated it, and at the end of the day I don't have a video. So worry about disappointing everyone, you know, but at the end of the day I'm probably disappointing you by not posting. So I think maybe I'm at this point where maybe I should just like post regardless. Yeah, I don't know. I think I have this like perfectionist mindset, you know. The channel had a couple of good videos and I feel like I had a lot of momentum behind me, so I put quite a heavy expectation on how each of the videos are going to do. But really, like, what does it matter? Who knows how like algorithms work and all that kind of crap. So all we can do is put our best foot forward, keep creating stuff, and hope that people like it. And if they don't, then they don't. Like, who even cares about that? I think like the main thing is that like I enjoy making them. That's all that there is to it. And yeah, hopefully you guys like it. So whatever, I'm gonna shut up now. Bro, what did I just do there? That's crazy. I just learned you could do that. Control E. We'll just chop it to the grid size. That's insane. What a hack. I'm gonna resample myself. There you have it. Yeah, I have no idea how we got here. I just kept freezing the audio and pitching it up and down and whatever. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to cop this project file, go check out my Patreon. If you want to cop my drum kit that I used making the drums of this, go check out my Patreon. It's all on there. I guess I'll see you in the next video. I hope that's soon. I'm sure it will be soon, because once I post, I generally like find the momentum. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, make sure to sub. Yeah, make sure to sub. Thank you.